Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just got a package from Joker Machines, which means that my foot pegs and my shifter knob have come in the mail. I went with the Joker Machines mini serrated floorboards. They're obviously not the full size floorboards. They're kind of smaller, but they're gonna be really nice, I think, when I'm out riding. I'm really excited to get them on, so let's roll the intro. Let's do a quick unboxing. Let's get them on the bike. Okay guys, here's the box that Joker Machines sent me. It looks like the shifter peg I ordered is back ordered, so I'm not gonna get that yet, but they did send the foot pegs. First of all, here's a fun sticker. Everyone likes stickers. Here are the pegs themselves. Take off the plastic. So you can see they're much wider than standard pegs, or the stock pegs. I think these are gonna be awesome. They got some pretty cool grip. Yeah, that's about it. Size of my hand. Let's throw them on the bike and see how they look.
Okay, so installing these is not too difficult. We basically just have to take our current ones off and reuse the same spring and little bolt here and replace it with the new ones. And this job is a heck of a lot easier if you have ring clamp pliers. So basically all we're gonna do here is get our pliers underneath the little guy in here and pull it off. See? Alright, now there's a bolt in here we just pull out. It's under tension by the spring. That one's out. Careful not to lose the spring that's in there because we're going to reuse it. Got it adjusted the way I think I want it for now. Basically, we're just going to replace the spring. We're going to replace the other spring in the other side here. Get it so the tension goes the right direction, which is just like that. We're going to take the bolt, jam it in there. All right, it's on there. And then all we're going to use is that the clip here and put the connector back on. Now on the other side, we're going to do the exact same thing. It's really not that difficult, and it's the exact same for both sides, so let's do that right now. Cool guys, well I hope you enjoyed this, hope you got something out of this, hope you like the way these look. I think they're pretty sweet and they'll be real comfortable. If you got anything out of this, if you enjoy this kind of content, a subscription would be fantastic, a like would be really cool, comment below, and you know what guys, ride safe.